Jawad Hassan. Last 4 digits of my ID 1964. Now I'm going to talk about a tree. Neem tree. Neem tree will be 21st century. Where did I choose a neem tree? The neem tree is very beneficial environmentally. It can tolerate a high level of pollution. Neem leaves can absorb a large amount of pollution such as dust, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon, and harmful gases. Benefits of neem. It produces a significant amount of oxygen. The neem tree is a critical product every medical part in our life, in our city, in our environment.
The leaves contain antibacterial elements that destroy bacteria in our body, in our environment.
Various parts of the tree, including the bark, used for different purposes like fuel and